Send it! Holy shit! Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. I'm Tyler Fikes. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you guys have been around for a while, you might know that I haven't uploaded in like 3 weeks. And I'm gonna start getting back on my regular schedule, which was Monday, Wednesday, Friday now. And the last video I uploaded was of restoring that tailgate. If you guys saw that I'm gonna make a bench out of. And I just haven't been able to make any videos recently because I've been busy with, I just graduated and then picking up a lot more hours at work and doing a lot of other stuff, camping trips and stuff like that. I just haven't had a lot of time to do any work on any of the trucks. We haven't really had anything going with any of the trucks. But now I have a lot more stuff that's gonna be coming in the next week and next couple of weeks. We got a lot of stuff. And right now, as you guys know from the title of the video, we are going to lift the red Powerstoke that has been on the channel before. It's my buddy Keone's truck, and it's the 7.3. If you guys haven't already seen some videos with it, we did the bed liner on the bottom side of it. It has a 4-inch straight pipe cannon air intake. It has a nice a tune on it. So anyways, I'll show you guys the truck once we are to the garage where we are going to be installing the whole lift kit today. And it's about 4 o'clock right now, and we have a whole 4-inch lift kit to install. So we gotta get going real quick because we both had work today. So now 4 o'clock, we're both free. We're gonna start putting on the lift and hope we finish it tonight. Here comes the Powerstoke with big wheels and tires in the bed, along with a lift kit, and it's gonna be too tall to fit in the garage. So we're gonna have to do it out in the street, unfortunately, because the Duramax barely fits out. And that almost sits as tall as the Duramax. Here's the first before measurement in the rear, 38.5, and the front's at 38. We got the back up in the air now, and luckily we have the air hose that reaches all the way out here, so we'll be able to get the wheels off. All right, it's about 7:30 now, and we just finished up the back end. Wheels and tires are on. Good amount of stance, new shocks on. All it was these new blocks, U-bolts, and shocks. So it wasn't hard, there were no problems. And then the only weird thing with the lift was these, they set long. So you have to cut the tops off to be able to use a deep socket to tighten these down. But it's looking good so far. That's a lot taller. And we'll take the final measurements once we get the front done. So we're gonna get that done now. Now with the front, first we have to add the extended brake line because these are way too short. And the badges, these are 250 because that's what it started as. But what my buddy did, he did a solid axle swap from a 350. And then the only difference from the 350 to the 250 is the solid axle versus a kind of IFS setup Fords used to have. So this really is a 350 now, and that is what we ordered the lift kit for. You see we have all our stuff. Because it would not fit in there, it's going to be taller than the Duramax. We couldn't do it in the garage. It fits in right now, but with the lift, it wouldn't have been able to come out. So now, with this lift kit and the solid axle swap, is basically a 350. So now I'll show you guys the front end finished.
1 eternity later.
And the lift kit is finally done. There's my truck. You can see we got the rough country leaf springs on there, new shocks, and this actually is being filmed about a week after it's actually finished because we were working into the night. And right here, this pitman arm with the drop was extremely hard to get off, and it was about 11:30 at night when we were working on this, and we couldn't get this off, so we had to wait till the next day to go get a pitman puller. And the next day, asshole trying to scare me. And the next day I was going to the lake, so I left it for my buddy to finish up, so I didn't see the end product until just now. But we got this off, he put this on here, got the new shocks on, and now it's done. So we got the whole lift kit installed. It looks great now, pushes these tires out a lot with the wheels. Got about 4 inches of stance in the front, maybe about 2 in the back, and the truck just looks so much better now. And there will be more stuff happening to this truck in the future, so if you guys like it, make sure to subscribe. And now with the lift kit on, you can see the truck sits about 44.5 inches in the front with 35-inch mud tires, and only about 43 in the back, so a little taller in the front, but that's all right. Camera is not focusing, there it goes. But overall, I think the truck looks great now. Has the upgraded Rennell bumper in the back. Looks like a lot more of a work truck now, nice and big, mean, blacked out. And the mailbox is kind of in the way, but I think it looks sick, and I think this gives you guys a good visual of how the truck turned out. So it was sitting at 38 in the front before, and 38.5 in the back. So really with the wheel and tire and the lift, we're getting about 6 inches of lift from ground to the top of the wheel well. So there's the last look at the Powerstoke. Looks really good with that new solid axle in there. 35s, 4-inch lift, just to kind of recap what we did. So if you guys liked the video in any ways, please give it a big thumbs up. If you like the truck, drop a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe if you like that truck or my truck that we are in right now, because there's a ton more stuff to come. We also have a big white Duramax that I'm gonna be working on. In one of the next videos, we are putting a 3-inch downpipe on it from PPE. So make sure to subscribe. Anyways, thank you guys for stopping in, and until next time, see you guys later.